Hi, it's Will and it's great to be back. If you've ever tried to connect an IBC valve to a garden hose, you know this. They are incompatible and need an adapter to make them right. A garden hose uses a 3/4 inch diameter thread. An IBC valve can be 2 inches, 3 inches, or 4 inches in diameter. Obviously, they'll need an adapter to make them merge together. The fix is simple. With the correct adapter, you can reduce it to the size that you need. There are 4 possible sizes to your IBC valve outlet. It can be 2-inch threaded, 2-inch camlock, 3-inch thread, or 4-inch thread. Each one just needs the correct adapter. Once you have that, it's simple. If your valve looks like this, it should have a 2-inch camlock adapter to convert it to a garden hose. My favorite is to slide an adapter like so. On here, it will be watertight, and obviously this will take the correct thread for a garden hose. This is the thread for a 2-inch buttress outlet on a valve. If you have this, the adapter would be like so. It goes together like this, and you have an ideal watertight connection that goes from a 2-inch buttress thread to your garden hose. If you have a 3-inch outlet, also known as an 80mm outlet, you'll need 2 adapters. This will convert the 3-inch to 2-inch, and then this will reduce the 2-inch to your garden hose fitting. You notice how easy that fits on there, and this will connect to the hose, and this will connect to your 3-inch adapter. If you have a 4-inch diameter outlet thread, you'll need an adapter like so. For starters, it reduces the 4-inch to 2-inch, and then I suggest this adapter, which connects the two together, and it goes from your 2-inch to your garden hose thread. And that is all you would need. The link is below.